How to switch your account to professional account on Twitter. So in this short video guys, I will tell you how to do this in just 1 minute. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first you need to open your Twitter first like this. After this you should come right here on your profile picture, or just this and then you come to your profile, and right now you have to click on edit profile and scroll until you found here switch to professional. Click on it and click agree and continue, and for example you choose the category of your account. Click next when you choose, and you choose here if you are creator or just business. For example creator, and click next and skip for now this, and that's it. You move to professional account. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you on another video.